Good morning guys, how you all doing? We are, where are we? I don't know. We'll find out. There's a sign here, can't remember, Jungalunga, it's a waterfall or something. So we're going to check it out. Find out in 2 seconds. There it's there. The Jurama Falls Lookout Walk. Distance 3 kilometres. Time allow 1 hour. Nah, no chance, man. It is 8 o'clock in the morning and it is 30 degrees. I can't walk for an hour. Got plenty of water on that way, me, but no. We're going to try and have a wee look. Aye, an hour away, man. What? A 3 kilometre? Oh, maybe half an hour there, I could sit for a wee while. Aye. Right, we're going to check it out, right? We definitely haven't got an hour of memory left, so that'll be clips, right? So, onwards again. Right, something jingling in my pocket, what's that? Car keys. Can't lose them. I had to come off the Bruce Highway to come in here. It's about 7 kilometres off the Bruce Highway. 7 kilometres off the Bruce Highway. So, but there wasn't a soul all the way, and there's nobody here either. I just hope I don't get attacked with a wild animal. There's nobody to rescue me, nobody to find my body. Oh my god. But I want to see these waterfalls. Do a bit of exploring. Wee Dora the Explorer. Tongue baby. Warning, slippery rocks, submerged objects and fast flowing water. Serious injuries have occurred. Take care walking and standing on rocks. Never dive or jump into the water. Swimming can be dangerous. You're kidding. This does like a bit, look a bit dangerous, doesn't it? But we shall take the time and be careful. This is all man-made, it's no natural. Yeah, to this bit. Right, there's no warnings about spiders or anything. Am I supposed to be looking out for spiders and stuff? Snakes? Snakes? I forgot about snakes. Wow. Just to put long trousers on. The gaiters. You see the gaiters you get for hill walking and stuff. I had a pair in the house and I should have brought them with me. Right, I don't hear any waterfalls. Don't know guys, I can hear running water somewhere. just a wee pool obviously. Wee fish in there. I don't know if you can see them there, wee small ones. Right, back up that way. Right, we've got a sweat on now, puffed out, found a wee bench, but I'm fucking scared to sit down. Just a wee snake gets me, spider, do sit down. Oh man, we have got a sweat on. Yeah, you just keep an eye out for snakes or anything coming, right? I'll get a wee drink of water. You want to eat, monkey? Huh? Right, keep an eye out for snakes and the spiders, guys, while I get a wee drink. Oh, I needed that, man. I know, I've got to amuse myself, guys. I'm on my own. Well, I'm not on my own, I've got Monkey with me. And I've got yous. So, aye, keep an eye out for these snakes when I drink this water. Hot, hot, hot. The trees are like something out of Tarzan movies with all the vines hanging down. Tarzan used to make big swings off them. Oh, get back in the bag, monkey. Don't want to. We'll see you again. Right, onwards. Oh, flies, man. Fuck. Still not getting any of that bug spray. Keep meaning to pick some up. Needed that wee seat there. Aye. This is good, isn't it? One slip. Follow the yellow brick road to have a wee markings, paintings. Stuff if you're getting lost. Quite hard to decipher. Just going to try and keep on the right path. Should have left a trail of breadcrumbs. Who done that? Little Red Riding Hood. I don't know, one of the nursery rhymes. Somebody left a trail of breadcrumbs. Let me know in the comments if it's no Little Red Riding Hood. Help me keep my sanity. I need to know the answer. It is hot. Falls, look out, 450 metres, right, and the rock pools are just down here, I think. There's no measurement. What's 450 metres? How many steps is that? 1,000 steps? 2,000 steps? I don't know. It's half a mile on it. Hey guys, I think the rock pools have all dried up a bit. As you can hear from my breath, I'm absolutely knackered. But we shall stride on, eh? Power on. We shall power on. Somebody a wee mention. You love that. Right, I don't know if you can see that. That's the waterfall way up the top there. The wee trickle, it's not even a waterfall. So there's no danger I'm climbing 450 metres to see that, so nah. You can see it from here. If try and zoom in, I'm doing a wee bit of editing. Right, see if we can find our way back, man. No. Oh, wow. You have a look, monkey? Fed up in that bag? Yeah, sit here so we don't forget you. Oh, it's hot, isn't it?
Aye, it's roasting. You've not even offered me a drink of that water. Come on, you.
But the views are worth it, aren't they? Look, that was stunning.
Aye, it's absolutely gorgeous. Never seen anything like it.
Aye. Oh, sweating guys, sweating. Right, might be careful these wee steps. Right. Oh, what was that? Came from there. What was that? A little bit here somewhere. What was that? Oh, you! How did you get out of the bag? You will get left behind, you do that again.
A wee bit of fun.
Any acting jobs out there? Give us a wee shout, guys.